Got on YouTube. Another abandoned Ranger Hut by PWS. I've always came here, but I didn't know that the place was unlocked. Had old power in here, had a sink, a couple of little bits and bobs. It's a wicked little place. Don't know what was in here. Fireplace, front door, bedroom. This place could be so done up for, you know, people like myself or some more rangers or whatever who want to look after it. It's a wicked little place. And the papers that are in here, 1988. With the cars in the papers back in the day. Oh, there's a VL Commodore. It's a wicked little hut. It's just been abandoned. Oh, woodshed. Don't know what that is. It's fucking cool though. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's amazing.